Plans can be managed through the Planning dashboard. Select a group and click Planning on the top left corner to access. You can toggle between the groups from within the dash. The first column contains the athlete name. From here you can see how long it's been since their last scan, how many sessions they have logged in the last week, the current plan they are assigned, the recommended focus from Sparta, if there are any restrictions specified in the athlete profile, what phase of the program they are currently on, and their most recent Sparta scans. Click on the athlete's name to assign a plan. This will take you directly to the Planning tab of their athlete profile. If they have never been assigned a plan, click the Assign Schedule link. On this page you will see their current scans, as well as Sparta's recommended focus. Click on the Schedule drop-down to choose from Sparta's preloaded recommended schedules. In this example, Bryce's recommended focus is load, so I can either assign him an advanced load schedule for those with higher training age, beginner load for those with lower training age, or corrective-oriented load schedule. Next, you'll choose which phase to start the schedule from. Most often, you should start the program from phase 1. The 2-day program will then be available on the Athlete's Planning tab of their profile. If you need to change the schedules, click the edit icon next to the plan name. Athletes will need to create their own logins to access their profiles and workouts. Click the Admin menu drop-down and select Invite Athletes. Find your athlete from the list and click Invite via email. Enter the email and submit. An invitation will be sent to the athlete via email where they will set their own password. They will then be able to log in to home.spartascience.com using their email and newly created password to access their profile. To view and log a session, we recommend using the Safari or Chrome web browser. When in the athlete profile, click the Planning tab. Pick which day you'd like to complete. You may notice some exercises are starred. This designates a hinge movement. In order for the athlete to progress to the next phase, they will need to hit the prescribed weights, which are based off percentage of their body weight. This ensures a safe and individualized progression based on merit instead of time. Click Log Session. This view is optimized for mobile but can be completed on any browser. To view a video of the exercises in that complex, click the play button next to the exercise name. The first page will include the entire first complex. It will be split up into sets, which may or may not be supersets. This means both exercises are done back to back before moving on to the next set. Before you begin your first set, set the timer at the top if there is one. This timer regulates your rest and will be progressed through the phases to build density. All movements in the set should be completed, and then the remaining time should be used to rest before moving on to the next set. Each exercise will have some sort of volume that you are to complete. It may be in the form of repetitions, duration, or distance. Some exercises will also have a prescribed intensity as well, which will mostly be in the form of weight or repetitions. Type in the volumes and intensities that were completed if different than what was assigned, and click the checkbox to indicate it was completed. When the complex is complete, click the blue arrow and move to the next complex. After all complexes are completed, click the blue arrow to either mark the session complete or save it to complete later. When both sessions are logged, new sessions will be created. If the hinge exercises were completed at or above the assigned intensities, you will progress to the next phase.